Most of us worry that too much screen time affects our minds. But what if your phone is also changing your body? From neck pain and weaker muscles to skin irritation and even reduced motor skills, scientists are finding that our digital habits can have physical effects we often overlook. The good news, many of these problems can be reduced with a few simple changes. Smartphones, computers, and wearable devices have become part of everyday life. While they make work and communication easier, spending hours with them every day can slowly affect how our bodies move, function, and even develop. Let's look at what researchers have discovered and what you can do to protect yourself. One of the most common issues is something many people experience without realizing it. When you constantly look down at your phone, your head moves forward, placing extra strain on your neck. Over time, this posture can put significant pressure on the spine, affecting muscles, joints, and the disc between your vertebrae. Experts often refer to this as tech neck. The simplest solution is to change how you use your devices. Try holding your phone closer to eye level instead of looking down for long periods. The same advice applies to computer monitors. Regular breaks from screens can also help reduce strain throughout the day. Some people have also wondered whether constantly bending the neck could contribute to wrinkles. While the idea sounds reasonable, experts say there isn't enough scientific evidence to confirm that connection. So there is no need to rush out and buy products marketed specifically for tech neck. There's, however, another skin issue worth paying attention to. Wearing a smartwatch continuously can trap moisture against the skin, creating conditions that may lead to irritation or eczema. Keeping the skin clean, removing the watch regularly, and using a protective barrier cream if you wear it all day can help prevent these problems. Many people assume phones directly cause nearsightedness. Research suggests the story is more complicated. Long-term studies indicate that simply focusing on nearby objects isn't the main reason. Instead, spending less time outdoors appears to play a much bigger role. Natural outdoor light seems to support healthy eye development, making regular time outside an important habit for protecting vision. As a bonus, getting outside can also improve sleep and encourage a healthier daily routine. Technology has also changed how we use our hands. Grip strength, which is increasingly viewed as an indicator of overall health, has been declining in younger generations. Researchers believe that more sedentary computer-based lifestyles may be one contributing factor. Improving overall fitness and regularly exercising your hands and arms can help maintain strength. There's another concern, especially for children. Studies have found that spending more time on screens is linked with weaker motor skills development. While technology may improve certain digital skills like tapping or swiping, it doesn't replace activities that build coordination through real-world movement. That's why experts encourage balancing screen time with hobbies that involve hands-on activities, sports, or creative play. Technology isn't something we need to fear, but it is something we should use more thoughtfully. Small habits like improving your posture, taking regular screen breaks, spending more time outdoors, staying physically active, and giving your wearable devices a break can make a real difference over time. Your phone is designed to make life easier. With a few simple adjustments, you can make sure it doesn't quietly reshape your health in the process. If you found this video useful, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and staying informed with more science-backed explainers.